This is the Income Idea Hub. I got 10 legit ways for you to make money with PayPal. Welcome to this guide on 10 legit ways to make money with PayPal. PayPal is a popular online system that is used by millions of people from around the world. It is a great tool for sending and receiving, but do you know also to use it to make money? Well, I'm about to tell you 10 legit ways just to do that. Coming up, number one, take online surveys. Many website pages users to take surveys, provide feedback on products and services. Some of these websites will pay users with PayPal money. Just to assure to research the websites to make sure, before you sign up about your personal information and everything. I recommend the following, which is linked below. Here's some websites that I recommend, but check out that link on doing surveys online. That's number one. And number two is to sell items on eBay. What? eBay is a popular online marketplace where users could sell and buy items from around the world. And PayPal is it's a preferred payment method for many eBay users. So make it easy to receive payment for those items that you are selling. PayPal, eBay, that's number two. And number three is doing freelance. If you have a skill such as writing, graphic design, and programming, you could offer your services on websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, or just freelance. Many clients prefer to pay with what? PayPal, and make a convenient way to receive the payment for your work. Number four is affiliate marketing, where you could earn by making money promoting others' products and services. Through affiliate marketing, many companies offer affiliate marketing to pay a commission for each sale made through their unique affiliate link. PayPal is a common payment method to use for the affiliate links. Affiliate links, PayPal. Number five is to create a YouTube channel. Yes, where you could share your content and you could create a YouTube channel and to get monetized. Well, and get sponsorships. And what? Number six. What? If you enjoy writing, start a blog and get monetized for ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing as well. Many ads, network, and affiliate marketing pays through what? PayPal. Number seven, start a what? Podcast. Where you have a unique way for interesting stories. You can start a podcast, get monetized through sponsorships and many other ways. And sponsors pay through what? PayPal. Start that podcast. One way you could do it is number eight is to sell your handmade items online and and what? And receive money what? Through PayPal. That's number eight. And number nine, create a Patreon account. Patreon is a platform that allows creators to receive recurring payments from their fans in exchange for what? Exclusive content. Patreon pays earnings through what? PayPal. We almost to the last one. And number 10 is to sell what? Stock photos. Yeah, stock photos is big business. If you have photographic Skills. You can sell your photos on stock photo websites such as What iStock and many others. And these websites pay through what? PayPal. Now, there you have it. 10 legit ways to make money with PayPal. And remember to do your research and choose the method that works best for you. Yeah. And the Income Idea Hub would like to say, thanks for watching.